My topic is India and Russia relations. If I talk about some historical background, both countries shares a very strong and very long-standing partnership in the areas of defense, bilateral trade, etc. And in the year of 1971, India has signed a friendship treaty with Russia, or at that time Soviet Union. So because of this treaty, India was supported by Russia in the 1971 war against Pakistan, where Pakistan was backed by USA's military hardware and USA's support at the international level. And after that, in 2000, after the signing of the declaration of India and Russia strategic partnership, both the countries' relations have been improved dramatically. But in last few years, both the countries' relations have been degraded a few because of the insertion of the Chinese angle into that. So next is the political perspective. So both the countries shares a very important annual and very institutionalized dialogue between both the countries' leaders, that is Prime Minister of India and the President of Russia. Modi and Putin met first time in Sochi city in 2018 in Russia. And also Putin has awarded Prime Minister Narendra Modi as the highest state decoration award. If I talk about some trade perspective, both the countries are in a talk to increase the investment and bilateral trade 50 billion and 30 billion respectively in the financial year of 2020, where the trade between India and Russia was just $8.1 billion in the last financial year. Both the countries' bilateral trade has touched $27 billion. That was a dramatic change between the both countries' bilateral trade, where in the $27 billion trade, India has been at a side to purchase more from Russia, but this purchase has benefited India in the perspective of to save India's dollar, or we can say forex reserves. In that trade, India has purchased the discounted natural gases and oils from Russia. So next is the defense and security angle. So the major or critical point between the India and Russia relation is the defense angle. The relation has evolved from the buyer-seller relation to joint manufacturer relation. Both the countries are developing, or we can say manufacturing, the things like BrahMos missile, fifth generation fighter aircrafts, and also the supersonic missiles. And also India has purchased few important military hardwares like S-400 military S-400 S-400 air defense system after neglecting USS Katsa Act. And India has also purchased T-90 tanks from Russia, and also Kamov 266, and also the first Indian Navy's aircraft carrier INS Vikrant was taken from Russia. And also Russia has helped India to acquire nuclear powered submarines, and right now in Indian Navy like 8 to 9 submarines, conventional submarines, are from Russian origin. So what is the significance of this relation? Russia has always supported India's interest and also supported India at the UNSC level with the veto power of its, and also helped India, or we can say cooperate with India in the area of Kashmir issue. So in the recent tension between China and India at the northern border, Russia can diffuse this tensions. We have seen example that after that Galwan clash, Russia has called up a trilateral meeting between three countries to address this clash. And also apart from the conventional areas of cooperation, the both the countries can cooperate in the different sector like mining, agri technology, nanotechnology, biotechnology, space, etc., and robotics also. So Russia and India are also cooperating in the areas of combating terrorism. So talking about way forward, so timely supply of the spare parts and supporting the large inventory of Russian defense equipments have been a cause of concern. To address this, Russian legislative has passed a law to allow the private companies of Russia to create a joint venture with India in India to address this issue. But this process need to be completed as soon as possible. Russia will remain a key defense partner for India for several decades from now. And also, both the countries are in talk to how India can be used as a defense manufacturer of Russian equipment to sell third countries. And in recent time, the Russia's invasion in Ukraine need to be stopped as soon as possible from Russia's end. So India can be a mediator in that to diffuse this case, because India shares a very good relation with Russia as well as Ukraine. Thank you.